Yes, yes. We're at the Abhaneri stepwell, and there's a festival on here for 2 days, and so we're just at the entranceway now. This, yes.
Just as you enter.
This is you enter the Abhaneri stepwell.
So pretty.
Festival 2019, Abhaneri stepwell. We just had to pay 25 rupee charge for the video camera.
Ticket?
Oh, your ticket.
There you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So,
Okay.
it's a little convoluted for us, but we made it.
It's just
Got
like
in.
every other place.
I know.
Many tickets and paper.
Okay.
Wow, this is incredible.
Ooh. Okay, there we go. This is our first glimpse of the Abhaneri stepwell, and it really is
This is incredible.
another amazing sight of India.
So amazing.
Yeah.
Somebody built this.
Let's walk around to the other side.
I was hoping we could go down, but
So was I.
I get a lot of whistles.
Yeah,
tried.
exactly. Yes. So to get their water here, they would have to go down each step, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down to the bottom, and then all the way up with each bucket of water. There's a turtle. Look at that way down there. Yes, there is. See him? At the very bottom. There's a turtle swimming in there. Just coming to the surface now.
He's a big guy too.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That is. Wonder how he got in there.
Yeah, right?
Right?
Lots of mystery.
The turtle mystery of the Abhaneri stepwell. We're on the outside here.
How did that turtle get down there?
I have no idea. But as you see on the outside here, we've got all the Hindu gods. I don't know them all, but I'm trying to learn them. There's a gecko on the rock.
Oh, yes.
Look at this.
It's incredible.
Yeah. Right? Another adjective. That's it. Here it's almost to the center.
I'm still really intrigued by that turtle. Can I just grab the big camera?
Yeah, yeah. Wow. So we're on our way to Jaipur today, and they say this is one of the stops, and 300 rupees a piece to come in, and 25 for a video camera. But again, I think it's well worth it. It's pretty incredible. None of these monuments that it looks as though there's some restoration happening, but it's really cool. It's the first time we've seen a stepwell, other than in pictures and on videos. But,
don't do it justice. In person, it's incredible. The steps are so narrow and straight down. It would be really difficult to maneuver these steps with buckets of water. Right?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 flights of stairs to go down. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I was hoping we could go down there as well, but
It's very hot in Rajasthan.
it's hot in Rajasthan.
Much hotter than Agra.
Yeah, it's a nice change though because it doesn't seem as humid.
No,
And
it's drier for sure.
It's drier for sure. It's hot but dry, which makes breathing a little better. And there we have it. Carry on with our quest to Jaipur. Our driver's been very good today. Pigeon's doing a loop round. And back to the roost. Very cool. Again, it's another one of these.
They must have taken baby turtles and put them down there.
You never know.
I'm usually good with these kind of...
Yeah, maybe there's an underground. Maybe there's an underground river or something.
Oh, of course. That's it. That's where the water comes from.
Probably somewhere. Yes.
Well.
It's a well. Mr. Pigeon.
Oh, hi, buddy. What's up?
What's up, man?
Hanging out in the shade.
How'd that turtle get down there? Do you know? Do you know? Any tips?
Come on, you can tell us.
Yeah. Oh well. There you have it. The Abhaneri stepwell.
Very amazing.
Yes. I'm sure that we'll see more as we go through Rajasthan.